Hello everyone, this is Susan from Ono Machine. Since more and more countries ban plastic, so nonwoven is most popular in many countries. There are many customers who are finding us to the nonwoven bag to replace the plastic bags. Today, I wanted to introduce our machine, ONL C700 nonwoven bag making machine, which makes this kind of D-cut bag. Let me show you the machine running first. Okay, in order to show you the machine running more clearly, so let me reduce our machine speed slowly first to show you more clearly. Okay, now let me reduce the speed. Okay, now I have already reduced the machine running speed to 40 pieces per minute. Let me show you more clearly on the machine. This is a roll feeding part. We use air cylinder to load this nonwoven fabric, fully automatic up and down. And then we can see here, there is one deviation controller with this electric eye to make this nonwoven rollers in the right place. Okay, let us go ahead. And here is the side folding part. Normally, we always do by 3 cm. Let us show this part here. Yes, this is the folding part. We can see here, this is a sample folding normally 3 cm in both sides, 3 cm. And here, let's go the next step. This is a ceiling for the side ceiling. We can also see the sample here. This is a ceiling. Okay. And here is a tension for the nonwoven fabric. Next step, we do the folding here. Okay. And this kind of printing, we call it screen printing. It's very nice. Okay, then we can see here. We can see here. Now, if you want to do cotton insert, you can change the roller size here. Button insert. Okay, then if your bag is with printing, so this is a printing eye to check in the right place. And here is a D-cut punching. You can see this kind of hole, nonwoven bag hole, is punched by here. D-cut punching. Okay, the next step, we do the side sealing here. You can see the ultrasonic here. We do by sealing. Then the last step is the bag finish. Nonwoven D-cut bag finish, which we make. Now you can see this kind of D-cut bag is finished. This is the introduction for our ONL C700. If you need, please contact with me. Thank you.